Hello YouTubers, hello Starfield players, welcome back. Dreadis here. Well everybody, it looks like we've got some pretty good news coming down the pipe for this game, and we just got to check out this one video.
From the moment we first reached for the stars, they were already here. Entities of unfathomable power. We've seen what they're capable of, and so it is our duty to contain them.
We need a sky drop! Now!
We are Watchtower.
Alright, do you guys want to join me as we scrub through this video? So, we start with the creations. Ingath creations, you can see these big screens and the cameras. You see the cameras? So the cameras, I think that's actually like one of the things that is in this upcoming update. The other thing is this animal. So it looks like a rock terramorph or something like that, or a cold weather terramorph or something. Not sure, but it's a new creature. It looks like a new creature. Then you've got these guys. Now, I'm not sure if that's the hunter or not, right? I mean, you look at him, and it does seem like a hunter. What weapon does he have? He has that one gun. Just kind of pops in. And then here, you're using some powers. Is this a new suit of armor? I can't tell. But I'm trying to think of like those, along the sides here. There's 3 of them. So I'm not sure if that's a new set of armor. And then he calls down a drop, right? So calls down a missile. I don't see them on the ship, but I have seen them, but I'm not sure exactly where I saw them. But if you look here, we have a bunch of fleet ships, right? So you see there's multiple ships. And I'm looking at the weapons, as well as some of the build pieces, right? Like these are very flat edged build pieces. This one I know, these ones I know, that one's an upside down one. And this here though, is this new, these pieces? Just trying to look and see if there's any new pieces in here. Like what is this? Pointing forward, right? Like it looks like there's a lot of new pieces in there. Hopefully. Orbital Strike Fleet Command, right? So you've got the Orbital Strike, which is units that mount onto the ship, actual parts that are then used to do the orbital strike. And then you have the fleet command. So as you can see, he's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ships. So possibly up to 10 ships. So what have I seen? Well, I've seen modules that go onto the ships, and then I think you also have like the fleet command where you have a bunch of ships around you, and then also when you're down on the planet and you're attacking, you can then call in some of, like, I'm not sure if it's other crew member. I'm not sure if it goes that far as to be able to call in other crew members, but I think you can call in something like maybe not people, but items, and of course the missiles and orbital bombardment and maybe some other things. But yeah, you're gonna be able to add it to your game and be able to have like a much more expansive experience from what I understand. So for example, you're going to be able to have multiple ships, which then has multiple crews, and so that will add layers to the game. and then there's going to be the actual enemies and everything in the new update. And I don't know. I think it's going to be fantastic. Uh, I'm not sure if it's going to be expensive or what, but there might be a cost involved. All I know is I'm trying the new beta, and I know that they want to do some work with making the game a little bit, well, even better than it already is. So hopefully we're going to find a really fun experience with Starfield soon. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and come back for more Starfield action.
The stars. They were already here. Entities of unfathomable power. We've seen what they're capable of, and so it is our duty to contain them.
We need a sky drop! Now!
We are Watchtower.